Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate fusion cores in Fallout 4. This simple exploit allows you to gain an endless supply of power for your power armor. First, you will need to find a non-player character, or NPC, wearing power armor. Brotherhood of Steel Paladins are excellent targets, especially those found on the Prydwen airship or patrolling the Commonwealth, as they frequently carry multiple cores. Once you have identified your target, approach them while in sneak mode. It is crucial that your detection status shows hidden to avoid being caught. Access their inventory and carefully pickpocket the fusion core they are currently using. After successfully taking the core, exit their inventory. The NPC will then automatically place a fresh, fully charged fusion core into their power armor. To continue duplicating, simply re-enter sneak mode and repeat the pickpocketing steps. The NPC will continuously generate new fusion cores for you to take, allowing for an unlimited supply. For best results, consider investing skill points into your pickpocket perk, which increases your success chance. Alternatively, quick save after each successful theft to mitigate any risks of being caught. With an endless supply of fusion cores, you can now power your favorite power armor suits indefinitely, exploring the wasteland without fear of running out of energy. You can also sell any surplus cores to vendors for a substantial amount of caps, boosting your in-game economy. This simple exploit ensures you always have the power you need for any adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.